Yo guys, welcome back to another Everything Bar and Service. My name is Braden, and today we are in beautiful St. Augustine at Dos Gatos Craft Cocktail Lounge and Bar. So today we're going to be teaching you guys how to make a couple classic cocktails that every bartender should know behind the bar. In specific, we're going to be working with bourbon and whiskey. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this drink tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed it. So I have a bonus drink for you today because I love you. So this is called a paper plane. It was invented back in 2007 by a guy named Sam Ross. So it's fairly simple to remember because it's all equal parts. Yeah, it's 3/4 of an ounce of everything. So that would be lemon juice, Amaro, Aperol, and bourbon. Can't forget the good old Kentucky mash. From here, it's pretty simple. You just mix everything in a mixing glass, put some ice in it, do a cool little flippy flip like so.
Can't flip like Morgan.
Yeah, it was pretty good. So once you get done doing your fancy 10 flip, you're just gonna shake that thing for about 8 to 10 seconds. And then Breon here, he double strained it just to make sure that there's no ice left in there. So it's really smooth to drink. Every sip is just very, very delicious. It almost tastes like a whiskey sour, like an elevated whiskey sour of the sorts, if that makes sense. So I'd like to give a huge shout out to Dos Gatos, Morgan Thompson, Breon Anderson for helping me with this video. They were amazing. Thank you so much for letting me steal your bar for a morning. And that's gonna do it for this one, guys. I will see you on the next video. Peace.